Hi guys! Good morning! Ngayon ay March 1. Wow! March 1, 2024. Ngayon, Friday. So, yung anak ko na si Michael, absent ngayon. Tapos si Dion lang yung nasa school. Kakaalis lang niya. Si Michael, kaya siya absent ngayon dahil sumakit ang ngipin. Nag-swell. Yung dito, sa right side pala niya, nag-swell yung right side niya na pisngi. Absent siya noong February 28, Wednesday. Tapos, kahapon, February 29, pumunta ulit sa school. Tapos, noong pagbalik niya sa bahay, pagpasok niya sa bahay, galing sa school bus, umiyak. Agay, kay pagkagabi gabi-gabi, ayun, yung pisngi niya, lumobo. Kawawa nga eh. Kasi guys, may cavities yung si Michael. Magkabilaan. 4. Kasi nasa gitna yung butas. Gitna. Pinagpantay niya talaga. Gitna. Kasi yan siya, mahilig sa sweets. Kaya yan tuloy. Pero, milk teeth man naman. May chance pa, no? May chance for winning pa tayo. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya kagabi, sabi namin ng mag-asawa na kailangan mag-brush na siya at saka wag na kumain ng tsokolate or candies, yung mga sticky. Isa din yung factor, no? Yung una siya, pinapainom namin siya ng vitamins. Yung gummies, pinapatake namin siya ng vitamins before. Gummies. So, tsaka yung gummies naman mga sugar talaga, matamis. Kaya, ayun, hininto na namin yun. Ano na lang, pinapaliquid na lang namin siya. At least iyo, di ba, ma-flush out. At saka drink water, flush out. Tapos, or ma-flush out ng mga laway-laway mo. Unlike sa candy, yung vitamins na gummies, stick talaga siya sa gitna-gitna ng teeth natin. So, not good. Kaya yung lesson learned, hindi na namin siya pinapano ng gummies. Tapos, ayun, sabi naman sa kanya na mag-toothbrush siya. Kasi guys, tamad talaga yan mag-toothbrush yung anak ko. Pero si Dion naman, walang problema kasi walang cavities yung anak ko yun. Kasi si Dion, hindi siya mahilig sa mga chocolates. As usual, maganda din yung yung magandang dulot yung pagiging picky eater niya kasi hindi siya kumakain ng ibang pagkain. Avocado and banana or chips. Yun lang yung pagkain niya. So, wala talaga siya sa mga sweets. Tsaka, ayun, maganda, wala siyang toothache. Maganda, wala siyang, cavities. Maganda siya. Si Michael lang yung may problema. Pero, sinearch ko sa Google, guys, na yung mga molars, canines ba yun? Basta yung ganun, molars, mga 9 to 13 years old daw yan siya matatanggal. So, may chance pa tayo na, mawala yung mga ek-ek niya. Pero, ipapadentist ko pa rin yan siya. Kasi kawawa naman na maga yung pisngi. Hindi na pantay. Lumubo yung dito. Kawawa naman. Ayun lang. So, kailangan natin alagaan ng ngipin. Nagkaganyan din naman ako dati eh. Si Ted naman, hindi daw siya nagka-cavities habang lumalaki. Ngayon lang daw, isa lang daw yung cavities niya ngayon. Ngayon malaki siya. Matanda. 50s. Isa lang daw. Tapos ako, naka-experience ako gaya kay Michael na magaling yung pisngi. Ang dami kong mga cavities ngayon. Ngayon, wala na akong cavities. Pero noong before, meron talaga ako. Nagmana yata yan si Michael sa sa ngipin ko. Yung set of teeth niya lang, yung design, tsaka yung pag-plaster ng mga ngipin ni Michael, namana sa daddy. Pero yung ngipin mismo namana sa akin. At saka yung sabi din daw niya na yung mama daw niya is ganyan din daw. Sira daw ang ngipin. Tapos, yung daw, fake postizo na daw yung ngipin niya sa harap ng mama niya. Kaya, siguro din daw is nagmana din daw yung ngipin ni Michael sa mama niya or sa akin, di ba? Ayun lang guys. So, yung chika ko. Ayan, another new day. March 1. Happy birthday sa mga mag-birthday ng March. Yung pamangkin ko pala si Judian, March 15. Advance happy birthday, pamangkin. Alright guys, ha. Thank you. Okay, ayan, na tayo ng anik-anik na. See you later. Oh no, it's broken. Please. Who are you?
You're not early. See, you're not early. We are.
Oh, very good yan. Yan, namaga yung pisngi ni Michael. Hindi pantay.
I only eat this thing, Mama. Because I'm almost full.
Almost full? Is your teeth still hurt? Yeah, it is. Yeah.
That's why I don't want to eat any food.
Just soft food you wanna eat.
Not the rice and not the egg, Mama.
Okay. Just rice pudding.
When I do like this, when I crack my tooth over here,
You
it
crack
hurts.
Yeah, when you crack it, it hurts. Still hurt, huh? Can I see? Last night it was swelling real good. I'll just close your mouth. I'm just gonna touch. This one also. Kaloy na tong anak ko eh. Get well soon, anak. Get well soon. Go finish your food. Say, Kaylee, what are you eating? Hi. Cereal? Ah, you're eating cereal. Ah.
I
Cereal.
want the old, not honey, not old. I want the old.
The old. What's that? Go back. What did you eat? Cereal? You eat cereal? Cereal. Butterfly. Butterfly. She's trying to say butterfly. Butterfly. Yeah, that's butterfly. Oh, butterfly. Butterfly. You say butterfly? Butterfly? Butterfly. How about monkey? Monkey. So sweet. Oh, you're eating cereal? Oh, Mati. Mati. Monkey? Ah, monkey pala yung monkey pala. Asan yung monkey? Where's the monkey? Oh, Can you say monkey? Monkey. Oh. Oh, we got the monkey. Monkey. Okay. Oh, monkey. Yeah, monkey. What's that? Eyes. Where's the ears? That's the monkey, yeah. Monkey. Where's the cereal? Oh. Is there a cereal here? Oh, here it is. Monkey. Cereal. Okay, Michael, okay. Want some cereal? Monkey? Oh, bye-bye.
Hi, Dion. Welcome home. Friday, Dion. Last day of school. March 1. How's your school, Dion? Dion, did you have a good day? Mommy's not yet done working in there, anak. Yeah, the scissors. Mommy is working in there. You're cutting the hair in there?
Cutting your hair.
Yeah. Cut the hair.
Cut the hair.
That's right. Go, Dion, cut the hair.
Oh no.
Oh no, you cut it. There's more hair in there.
You got the hair.
Yeah, cut some more.
Oh, you got the hair.
Cut the hair.
Oh, I don't want it.
Cut the hair?
Got the hair.
No, cut the hair.
Got the hair.
Cut the hair.
Map how to go to Emmett's house. Press the green button. Mama, the map knows
Press
how
the
to
green
go
button.
to the.
Press the green button.
Mama,
Green
the map
button.
knows how to go to the map.
Ang sakit ng kamay ko, guys. Oh my gosh, nanigas. Oh, pagod. Doon sa mga upuan. Sakit. Ouch. Massage my hand, anak. Hold mommy's hand. Ay, si Michael kulo. Uy, puti. Kulo ko na itong anak. How's your teeth, anak? Here.
I'm not feeling good.
Just not feeling good. Kaluoy na, ano. Get well soon, anak. Your face is swelling. This one is okay, this one is swelling. Terus kaluoy na. Get well soon. Ito yung mga galing sa upuan, guys. Ang mga buhok. Galing sa upuan namin. Dami. Buhok ko yan lahat. Galing sa mga ganito doon sa loob-loob. Ay, naku. Ang daming buhok. Mga na-harvest ko, sumakit na yung kamay ko. Half day ko ginawa na gabihan na dyan ko. I'm tired na. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment. See you on my next vlog.